it's
No,
simple.
I'm
That's the
talking
reason
about
why.
cars. Mm.
Yeah.
Let's talk about actually. Let's derive from. Let's talk about cars. When you first bought your
Cars,
first
man.
car,
Yeah.
how is the feeling? Let's talk about the first car.
Yeah.
Like you can
Okay.
afford and
I,
yeah, what was going on?
Okay. So with my first car, ne, it was to be honest with you, when I bought that car, out of okay, so we thought that needing to prove a point, it needs to be materialistic until we noticed that proving a point is results.
Yeah,
So I was
yeah.
like, I couldn't stand people seeing me make so much money and then I'm still going on Ubers, I'm still on taxis. Nah,
and,
I couldn't stand that shit though.
yeah, I was chilling. Stays, I was chilling. FX goat number one. I'm like,
Yeah.
man, stop pushing. I'm drinking coffee. FX goat number two. I'm like, what's happening? I'm like, nah, wait. Let me see. FX goat number three.
Number three.
Oh, what are those niggas doing? Let me chill.
I lost count
Number
at
four.
6.
As
I was
I'm
like,
as I'm thinking, FX code number 4, FX code number 5,
Hey,
FX code.
it's up.
I looked at the
It's up.
chart.
Yeah.
What's happening here? FX code number 7, 8. I'm like, nah,
Been a
you can't.
number 6. Number 6, I was like, no, this can't be. No, I need to I don't know. I need to have a snake for this. If the FX both have the snake for this,
But
I'm going to buy a snake.
Stacey, out of
Yeah.
all the moments on FX Gold, one of the biggest moments that I could say I felt it's when the twins bought their dad a car, and then comes my nigga Andile when he bought the car for the parents. That was the biggest thing for me.
Yeah, basically, man, you know how even that happened? I was like, at the current moment, yes, I do have a car, and besides fixing my parents' car, I mean my parents' house, there's nothing I'd say, there's nothing I'd point out and say I did for them. You get it?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
in my head when I bought that car, it was in a matter of fact of okay, sharp, they are old. It was just a matter of fact of doing something out of a genuine place of heart.
Oh yeah.
So when I took it, I went home. Hey, they were crazy, dog. And I was just like, yo. Everybody was just crazy at home. Everybody was just going crazy. Until my grandmother said, okay, we appreciate you buying us a car and all of that, but this type of car staying in the hood, it's not safe. But rather they keep it with me. But anywhere they need to go, I can take them.
Oh,
So
yeah.
that's when I was like, okay, yeah, that's cool. Then it stays here by me. When they need to go somewhere, I just get them a chauffeur, and then they just take them and just make their life easier. Because like I'm from the, I don't want to say I'm from the hood, but I'm from like the city whereby crime is made seem significant. It's like when you are a toti, yeah,
Hey, yo,
It's
guys,
not right.
Stacey,
yeah.
Hi.
my battery's off. Shout out for the motivation, Andy, man. You know, man, I love you big time. Stacey, I love you, my dog. Keep motivating, guys.
Now
I'm
stay
out.
safe, bro, man. Much love, peace, and happiness. Yes, sir.
Away.
Yeah, what are we
Yeah.
saying?
We were talking about the vile crime and
Yeah.
yeah. So
Yeah.
when somebody does crime, it gets to be a big thing. It's like, yo, Golova.
Ostara.
Yeah.
Top dog. So that's how they justified it, man. That's how we actually ended up going to these initiation schools, being initiated, because we were trying to fit in the space of being bad influenced. You get it? But the minute I stepped out of the hood and I came like to the town, I was like, but nah, man. There's life beyond just being a gangster and being feared and all of that shit. So I won't lie, man. I was a gangster. Did you see the picture I posted first?
Okay, no,
I
I just have
Yeah, I was in the gang, so I was like, nah, this ain't life, man. I don't lie. So now I just cut myself out of that shit. So that's where, yeah.
you must be joking because when I looked at you, I was like, no, that really can't even hit a fly. Come on. It's okay.
I feel like it's my energy, man. If you can look at the comments as well here, people understand. I'm that type of person. I bring positivity into everything. Like the minute I tap into a space, people just become happy. It becomes exciting and stuff like that. You feel me?
Yeah.
So like
Yeah.
it was that type tip that Yes, I got that shit, but I was like on some 15, 16, 17, 18, somewhere there. But the minute I went, I remember I finished my matric when I was 16 years old. I went to varsity, and then I finished my degree. And then after I finished my degree, that's when I was like, nah, man, Forex